How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Single Section Sunday, where on Sundays I showcase a particular single section home that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Sunday, I'm bringing to you the Pembina. And today on this episode of Single Section Sunday, I am bringing to you the Pembina. For those of you that's been saying, Mr. Tiny, we love the tiny homes, but again, we want something mid-sized with just a little bit more square footage, but still a one bedroom, one bath. Well, you know, I went in the workshop, whipped up a little something by the name of the Pembina. This is a one bedroom, one bath, 607 square feet. This home is 16 feet wide, 46 feet in length, including this 6-foot front porch. And you know I always say I keep it 100, but since I keep it so 100, I'm actually gonna bring this to you today with the Pembina for $99,000. $99K, you'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decorations. But keep in mind, that is today, not next year, not 6 months from now. $99K is today for the Pembina, so you better hit me up right now. And starting on the exterior of this home, what makes it so special is here at Recreational Resort Cottages, hence the name Cottages, we provide the cottage look. That's what we're known for nationwide. And right here in the Pembina, you're going to get it with the built-on front porch at 6 feet and boasting the colors of the garlic clove base, the Admiralty trim around your doors and windows, but also on your posts and single beam going across. You can also see that we have a gable roof on this model. So the entire exterior siding is a 50-year warranty, but then a 30-year warranty on your metal roof, and not to mention the 30-year warranty on your composite Trex decking. Again, guys, if this is your first time to the channel, quality is what you're looking at in a single section home. We done something a little different. We kept the gable open here. We normally do a crow's foot, but we got the gable here. And again, you guys come onto the porch, and as you see, we have the interior ceiling in the gable as well. So we have accents on each side of the door, but then we have it on the roof. And enough about the outside, guys. This is the Pembina. So come in here where I can show you where it gets much cleaner. So as you see, when we walk into the living area at 607 square feet, the beauty of this is usually in a 399 square foot home, you're going to have a smaller living, kitchen, and bedroom area. Well, when you take it up the next size, here we have it. With 16 feet in width, right here in the Pembina, you can fit full-size furniture here. So that is a big factor for plenty of my clients. So you can see we've got a full-size couch in here. You could easily put, you know, a love seat and a recliner. You could do whatever you like here, but the beauty of it is you have these large picture windows right here on this side of the home, as well as the triple transoms up above. That's our signature here at Recreational Resort Cottages. That's what people are known to look for when they contact us. They go other places, they say, Mr. Tiny, why don't they look like yours? Because this is the things that they are expecting. Vaulted ceilings, front to back of the home. As you see right here, we have that in the Pembina with a wood beam going down and a ceiling fan 3-blade centered. So items like that goes a long way. And as you go from one side of the living area to the other, you can see here enough space for more furniture. We have the chair over here to the side. We have the floating entertainment center, again, literally. We've got that in there for you, so we've taken care of the guest work for you. So right here, you place your TV right up above. You put some storage down there, whether you have some remotes, you have some blankets you want to put over to the side. You can hide in there if you wanted to. You've got options here. And again, we have the triple transoms up above, bringing in natural light. So at that time, on either side of the model, you have natural light coming in, and not to mention you have your front window there that's bringing in light from up front. And of course, as you saw when we entered the home, we have the 36-inch blinds and glass front door. So all the way surrounding, you have light bringing this 607 square feet, making it feel so much larger. And what makes it feel larger is the open floor plan. So we make it right here from the living area into the kitchen. Only thing separating this is this wall here that's dividing it. And again, we got to dress that up a little bit for you too. We're going to add some wood trim here, add an open shelf right here for you. Why not add some decor there? Hey, we've got to dress it up when you come here to Recreational Resort Cottages. Also, in most of the single sections, we have a built-in island. And this Pembina, hey, we had to keep it cleaner. So that way, whether you want to dance around like Selena in the Pembina, you got enough space to do so you can bring in your own kitchen table if you would like we've done so here to showcase the possibilities. You could have this here, you could have it over to the side. Options, guys, that's what we give you here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And as you see, the Piedmont flooring going throughout the home, that complements the colors that you're going to get into in the kitchen. So as you make your way over here, you'll see that we have the black appliances. We went ahead with the glacier quartzite countertops going throughout this model. We've paired that with the glossy blue backsplash. So that's popping and giving that color pop in the Pembina, so you know we've got that going here. And then we chose to go with the midnight package on this model. Midnight package meaning we've chose to add black hardware throughout the home. So you can see that we have that there, and then we've trimmed out the sides and tops of the cabinets in the pine accents as well. We have the 2 basins, stainless steel sink here, window up above so you can view out onto your property, enjoy the decision that you made for purchasing from Mr. Tiny, of course. And as you make your way around, plenty of additional prep and countertop space. This glacier quartzite looks so great. I don't know how it's looking on the camera, but as you get up close, there's tints of blue that come out from this countertop that you can actually see pairs great with that glossy blue backsplash. And then of course we've got your dishwasher right there, all full-size appliances because it's a larger home compared to some of the tiny. So we're putting a full-size dishwasher in this model. And then the cool thing about it is you have the storage here and of course up top, but main thing is, where's your trash can gonna go, Mr. Tiny? Of course, I took care of you, baby. I got it right here. You just roll it out and everybody get your roll on. You put it right back, everything's clean. And of course, we got the side-by-side fridge with ice in the door in black. And then we have right here the little breakfast nook, the little built-in area that we have here. We have the open cubbies down below, as well as the space up above. We kept that glacier quartzite countertop going here, and of course that glossy blue backsplash. And we've also added some outlets here. So if you want to put your coffee maker, your blenders, you have the space to do it. And we kept that open shelf vibe going throughout. So we brought that from the living area over here to the kitchen, just pairing so nicely. And of course, we've got another window here, bringing in that natural light. And then we'll take it down the hallway. Again, guys, we've got your HVAC system here for central AC and air. All your vents are in the ceiling, by the way. Just in case you got it confused, you're watching Recreational Resort Cottages, not Billy Bob's Trailers, but that's beside the point. Look right here, and we've got space for a stackable wash machine and dryer right here for you. And of course, we're going to utilize some more space by having a little cubby up there open as well. And then you follow me right in here into the bathroom, and you'll see, again, we're keeping that glacier quartzite countertop going. And then we have the linen up above the toilet with adjustable shelving. And then we have the rolling glass door and your step-in 60-inch tile shower, which is in black pedal tile with white grout. And then we've added the transom window up above. We even have the rain shower head right here, just raining down on your parade. So that way, after a hard day at work, you come back and say, oh, Mr. Tiny, thank you, Lord, for letting me find you on YouTube so I could get the Pembina, so that way I could get cleaner. And then as we make our way out, you can see that we lead right here. And what is great about this is this bathroom is directly across from the second exterior door. So whether you're using the front door, you're coming in from the side, you get dirty in the yard on the property, you come right in, wash up, you're ready to roll. Then we make our way back to the primary bedroom. And as you can see, this is the beauty of going to 607 square feet over a traditional tiny home that I offer, is that you get the ample space in your bedroom as well. That way for you that can't give up that king size bed, hey, you put the king in here and you're ready to go. So actually you put your king here, you have outlets on each side that you could fit a king size bed and also put nightstands on each side as well. You'll see here center, we again have the 3-blade ceiling fan with the white blades. We have the window there off the side of the bedroom, and that's bringing in the natural light. And then of course, we have your electrical panel box for ease of access here in your bedroom, covered by a white painted real wood cabinet there. And then of course, we've got the barn door here as well, painted white with the black brackets, and you slide that right in, and that takes it right into the closet. And as you come in here, we have the shelf and rod as well. And you got plenty of walkability in here if you want to store your clothes. And then also, if you look right over there, we have a false wall here. So that is where your water heater access will be. 40-gallon hot water heater, electric. You could convert to gas if you were to order it, but this one has electric in there, 40 gallons, hot water heater. I mean, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, that's all you're gonna need. I'm telling you, Mr. Tiny, I know I like to get clean myself, so I'm telling you, that's enough hot water for you. And follow me back through, and again, look at this Piedmont flooring, front to back. No carpet in this model, ladies and gentlemen, so that's making it easy for you to accommodate in this model. And I mean, just look at the colors. I'm not saying the color of my suit. I'm saying the colors in this home. The great thing about it is it makes it light and airy, so that way you enjoy coming home to the Pembina. Again, if you're in the market for a 1 bedroom, 1 bath, this is a great option for you. Again, the statistics of this home is 16 feet wide, 46 feet long, including that 6-foot front porch I showcased earlier, 607 square feet, on sale today for $99K. 99 thou wow is how much you're paying. And hey, just give me a call and I'll show you how. You send that money right over, I'll send the house right over to you. And we'll make it happen, guys. And that way you have a quality built cottage on your property provided by quality retailers. And again, guys, this is Single Section Sunday. So if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button. Give me a thumbs up so that way this video can continue to be shared to more and more individuals. Whether you are interested in a single section or not, you know I bring houses in all kinds of sizes, so you can share this to someone who is interested. Also, hit that notification bell so that way you're notified. Speaking of being notified, subscribe. If you're subscribed, like you should be, then you know I'm pumping out these videos each and every week. Everything from 399 square feet on up over 2,000 square feet homes, but all the same quality construction. Convenient for you. And then also, guys, if you enjoyed the Pembina, leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite feature of the Pembina was, so that way I can continue to offer that moving forward. Because the difference between others and recreational resort cottages is that we listen to you because you